Some 50 family members of late freedom fighter Subhash Chandra Bose will meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the national capital today. The meeting will take place at Prime Minister's 7 Racecourse Road residence at around 4. Bose's family members are expected to seek declassification of Netaji's files in possession of the centre and also the West Bengal government. Now, remember, the West Bengal government has already released 64 such files. Netaji's family is also expected to demand another inquiry commission to probe his disappearance. Bose's relatives will be taking a special flight, a special jacket, in fact, of Subhash Chandra Bose's pictures on it as a special gift for the Prime Minister.
We have with us family members of Subhash Chandra Bose who are in capital to meet the Prime Minister. Let's have a word with them. Sir, some files were declassified by the West Bengal government. Are you satisfied with the files which have come out?
Files which are available with the central government, they are very critical files. And also files which are available with the foreign countries like UK, USA, Russia, Japan, China and Germany, they have to be declassified too. So what we have come to meet, tomorrow we will be meeting the Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji. We have only got one thing to tell him or request him to declassify all the papers which are available with the central government. And after declassifying these papers, they should form a special investigation team who will look into this matter.
A great diplomatic efforts also have to be undertaken to declassify the files worldwide.
Absolutely. If we don't get the cooperation of the foreign nations, we will not be able to resolve this issue. So, first step is to declassify the files which are there with the central government. Second is we immediately write to the foreign nations that they must also take the initiative to declassify the files. And this high-powered committee that would be formed, we would insist on the formation of a high-level committee. And this committee would have the authority to talk and negotiate with foreign nations to declassify the files which exist in those countries. So let us have a holistic approach. We have to take a holistic approach to resolve this issue, and this issue must be resolved now, because I think it is not optional for the government to suppress this issue.